Transform your English, mastering prefixes and suffixes. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. I'm glad you've joined us on this linguistic journey. In this video, we're going to delve into a fascinating aspect of vocabulary, prefixes and suffixes. We're going to focus on how to use them to transform words in English sentences, taking your English skills to a whole new level. Before we start our exercises, let's remind ourselves what prefixes and suffixes are. They are sets of letters that we add to the beginning, prefixes, or end, suffixes, of a base word to create a new word. By understanding these, we can significantly increase our vocabulary and understanding of the language. Let's explore how prefixes can change the meaning of words. For instance, happy becomes unhappy when we add the prefix un. Or do becomes undo with the same prefix. The prefix un usually means not. So, unhappy means not happy, and undo means to reverse an action. Now, let's have an exercise. Try to transform the following sentences by adding appropriate prefixes. 1. She was able to tie her shoes. Hint: think about how to express the opposite. 2. This project is possible to finish in a day. Hint: what if it wasn't? Now that we have a good grasp of prefixes, let's look at suffixes. Adding a suffix to a base word can change its grammatical function. For example, help, a verb, can change to helper, a noun, by adding the suffix er. Quick, an adjective, can change to quickly, an adverb, by adding the suffix ly. Here are some sentences for you to transform using suffixes. 1. The man has strength. Hint: change strength to an adjective. 2. She plays the piano with skill. Hint: change skill to an adjective. Well done, everyone. Today, we've learned how to use prefixes and suffixes to transform words in sentences, helping to expand our vocabulary and enhance our understanding of English. Keep practicing these transformations, and you'll soon see the difference in your English proficiency. Remember, language is all about playing with words and enjoying the process. Stay curious, and stay motivated. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, happy learning!